doing an elephant. So these are the pieces that we're gonna need. So we're going to have two pieces of this, one for the left ear and one for the right ear. And then we're going to need a cutout for the eyes. So the black and the white is going to go like this, just like so. And then we're going to need the eyelids, and these are going to be for the cheek. So we have a little cutout here. This is gonna be for the hair. These are the tusk. And then for the trunk, we have the trunk. And then I have these little cutouts here that's gonna go in here like so. So since we have this, let's get started with this. So this is the longest piece. So I have 6 of these cut out in different sizes. So that's the longest one. Next we put on the next longest one. And we just need to space these out a little bit. Just like so. And then we do the 2 last ones. So this is the last bottom part. And then we add this one here. Add a little more glue for here. So this is the trunk done. Next, let's put on the ears. So this one is going to be the left ear. Okay, so this will go in like this. And then let's do the right ear. Okay, that's done. So next, let's do the last of the pieces that come together, the eyes. Okay, that's the left eye, and then we have the right eye. So now that we're done, let's start putting on the pieces together. So let's put on the eye first. So this is gonna come down here at an angle. Let's put on the right side. This is gonna go right here. now we put on the eyelids. So this will go this way, and this one will go over here. Okay, so next, let's actually do the trunk. So for the trunk, it's gonna go right in the middle, like so. So we need the glue up until maybe right here. Okay, so we have our trunk on. We need a little more glue over here so we could put it down. Okay, so now let's put on the cheek. Okay, so we have the cheek. So next, let's put on the ears. So the ears will go on the side. So we need the glue over here. We put on the right one. Like so. Now the left one. Okay, so next, let's put on the tusk. So it's gonna go right here. The next one will go right here. And finally, we put on this little hair. That's gonna go on top over here. And there you have it, a completed elephant.